Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make silica powder using an easy chemical method. We will go through the steps of combining two common solutions to form a gel, then processing that gel into a useful, fine powder. This method is straightforward and can be done with readily available materials, allowing you to create your own silica powder for various applications. To begin, gather your essential materials. You will need about 20 milliliters of sodium silicate solution, often called water glass. For the acid component, prepare a solution of 14 grams of sodium bisulfate dissolved in 10 milliliters of distilled water. Always use distilled water for best results. Additionally, have two heat-safe beakers or containers, a stirring rod, and a gentle heat source ready. Now let's start the reaction. First, dilute 20 milliliters of your sodium silicate solution with an equal amount of distilled water in one beaker. In a separate beaker, ensure your 14 grams of sodium bisulfate are fully dissolved in 10 milliliters of water. Slowly pour the acid solution into the diluted sodium silicate, stirring continuously. You will notice a white, gel-like substance forming. This is orthosilicic acid, the precursor to our silica powder. After the gel has formed, carefully scoop it into a heat-safe glass or porcelain dish. Apply gentle heat, such as from a burner, for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. The water will evaporate and the orthosilicic acid will dehydrate, leaving behind a pure white, fluffy silicon dioxide powder. Allow it to cool completely, then gently break up any remaining clumps to achieve your desired fine silica powder. You can wash it with water to remove impurities like sodium sulfate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.